guys, so we're back. We're making a video where we grab
Mystery slime bag challenge.
We didn't put these in the bag, my mom did. So we have no clue. And we have glue, and at the end,
and then this
we get activator.
Yeah. This is a mystery bowl.
We're not gonna look when we do it, and we have no clue what's in these bags. So let's
You can go first.
Okay. 6 again.
I got 3.
I have Model Magic. We have to put that in at the end.
3. So you pick again. Ooh, I got paint.
Oh.
Okay.
You can use.
Oh yeah, we need spoons.
Oh, go get some. I have 2. Let me see what's in here. Oh my gosh, I got more Model Magic. I guess we'll have dark green.
Where do you put your spoons, Reagan?
Here, hang on, guys.
Whoa! We bumped into each other. Okay, I'm sorry.
You can add that whenever you want. Your turn.
Okay, so I'm gonna.
You don't have to add it right now if you don't.
I want to add it.
So put these.
I'm just gonna.
If it falls, we're sorry, guys.
I'm gonna see if that will finish.
Ooh,
That's gonna make like a really light blue.
so pretty.
Okay, yeah, I don't need any more.
Okay, so you choose.
I
have
Reagan,
2 Model Magic.
Reagan, can you put the bring the tablet over here so we can show the camera?
We'll show it at the end.
Oh yeah, let's show it out.
Because it'll mess up. Okay, get the next color.
This is the color that it is.
Yeah, it's really pretty.
The blue.
Okay.
Okay, now. Okay, I got 7. Lucky number 7.
9.
This is very
I
light.
hope. Oh, I see it. It's lotion. Ooh, glitter. Wait. Drop your hand.
Oh my god, it leaks a little bit.
It's not leaking. It's just gold flakes.
Okay. Wait, are we gonna put it in right now?
Yeah, I'm just closing it because we'll put it in at the end. I put my
Wait, why?
just because, so it's easier.
Wait, let's put it in right now.
Fine.
Yeah.
Here, just don't use all of them. I don't even have more. Sorry, guys. I hate when people use all my flakes. I don't even have any. Wait, I just said flakes.
Okay.
You're getting so mad because I said something. Okay, so I got the lotion on. We're gonna. Let me just try that again.
Okay, so
I'll put it right there.
it's like a golden blue slime. That's pretty.
Pretty, yeah. You'll see the flakes when you mix it.
At the end, we'll show it because we can't like lean over the bowl because then the glue will fall out.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
So I don't really have any lotion. Oh, it's coming. I have other lotion. It's just like this. Now let me get it. It's right there.
Okay, I will pick another one.
No, it's not your turn.
Oh,
It's my turn.
Okay, sorry.
So I have this. Let me see if it'll come out.
Here, let me just put
This is the best
gold flakes
lotion.
that were in here.
Oh, that's a good idea. Okay, let me mix this lotion in.
This looks so pretty.
Okay. See, I'm not looking.
Okay.
3. Green paint. Nice.
Okay. It'd probably be teal if you don't add that much. Oh, there's barely anything in there.
I don't have green paint, so we won't be using that.
I got
But I do have green Model Magic.
4.
And black.
I got 4. Okay, this one's light again. What is this?
5.
Oh, I got brown.
It's
paint.
like, it doesn't look brown.
Okay.
I got 5.
I got something.
Are you stinking kidding me? I got another Model Magic. I'm gonna scream.
Oh my god.
This is so stupid.
You're gonna have a really good butter slime, actually.
Literally, I'm not adding all of it. I'm only gonna mix them together and then add them.
Oh my god.
I need some more lotion on.
Okay, now I'm gonna mix this in.
Ooh. Purple.
Purple.
Wait, no.
I don't know what color.
It's okay what color. That looks kind of pretty, kind of.
It looks
Kinda. It
like a skin color.
It does. It's kind of marbly.
Yeah, it's kind of orangish. I actually kind of like this.
I
color.
like
It's a
orange.
peach color.
Okay.
It's peach.
Your turn. We're looking up. That's why you can't see.
Okay.
5. 8. That's a good number.
I got a scent. I got vanilla scent.
Ooh. Hand sanitizer. it's apple. It's snappy apple. Apple hand sanitizer smell.
There's not
Oh,
even
smell
anything in
it.
this.
Oh. If you put your slime like at the rim of it, you can get some smell. Smell it.
Why did I
Why
do
would
that?
you do that? Okay, smell this.
Oh, delicious. Okay, there's nothing in this.
It's okay. We'll do it at the end because if you like dip, look, it turned kind of pink a little
Oh
teeny
my
bit.
God, it's pink a little bit. It's so pretty.
Oh, smell it! Oh! Like, your turn. Your turn.
Okay. Okay.
Oh! Just pick it up and just drop it in there.
I'll just use this one.
8.
8. Okay. Okay, I got 8.
Just drop it somewhere.
Okay, 8. I dropped it. Ow.
It's okay.
Heavy.
Ooh, let's see it.
Ooh, I got another
Blue!
blue.
Blue, so it will be blue
It's
again.
watercolor blue.
It's so vibrant. I use it all the time. I have 7. Let's see. It's tilting. I got pink! Oh, yay!
Oh, you got watercolors too. Now, let's mix it up.
That's beautiful. Well, there might be a part 2. Look at how... Hers is really bad.
Mine looks weird.
We're
Mine
videoing,
looks
Mommy.
weird.
We're videoing.
You gotta add a little more.
Look at mine.
Can you do
Yours
that?
looks okay, Chloe. It's just a color. At least you can play with it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh yeah, mine is gonna turn blue because I added more.
yeah,
Oh, that's beautiful. It's
Ow.
actually kind of activating me. You see how it's like getting
Yeah, it's like pulling off.
Look how pretty mine
That
is.
looks like blueberry baby food,
Oh, it is kind of pretty.
right? And yours looks like happiness.
This is the
Strawberry.
color.
Your turn,
That's
Chloe.
actually turquoise.
I know,
Yeah,
it's
it's
pretty.
turquoise.
It's like a dark turquoise. You go.
Yeah. I got a 1.
Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco.
Ooh, I got light blue Moto Magic.
Please don't use all of it, okay? Your slime is gonna be blue.
There's barely anything in it.
Yeah, just don't use all of it. Oh, you can use that. It's fine. It's kind of hard. Just add lotion.
It's dried out.
Here,
Okay,
add
I'll
lotion.
add lotion in.
Okay, my turn.
Model Magic.
Let's see.
Well, rated.
6. 6, 6, 6. Where's 6? Where's my 6? Oh, that was your 6. I haven't used 6 yet. Let me just try another number. 2. I have already used 2. You have 2. 2. 1. Okay. I think. Shaving foam! And are you stinking? I have all the Mono Magic. I have 4 packets and yellow Mono.
Do you want to trade something?
Yeah, we can trade. What do you want to trade?
I will
I have all this Mono Magic.
trade this. No, I don't know if you want it.
It's okay. I don't think we should trade. I'll just let you use some at the end. So we have shaving cream. I'm so happy.
Yours is gonna be like a pink fluffy slime, like a bubble gum.
Oh, I should sell it on TikTok. Oh yeah, go follow our TikTok.
Reagan.davis08.
I'll put it in the description. Ooh, it's fluffy.
I'm just gonna do this at the end.
Okay, now that's a pink. Your turn, girl.
Okay, 2.
Okay.
Ooh, I got some glitter.
Ooh, those are flakes. You can add some. Look at mine's pretty.
Hers is so fluffy.
I'll show you at the end, guys.
My hands are lotiony.
Lotion. Ooh, feels kind of weird. It's fluffy. You can add as that's good. Okay. Bum bum be dum bum bum ba-dum. 2. I already. Oh, 4. It's 4. Ooh, look at my glitter. I have silver and
so
gold glitter. You'll take off.
Okay, I'm gonna go now.
Most of these I got at Michael's.
Okay, I got 9.
But some my granny bought me. Like the Model Magic.
Ooh, I got orange watercolor.
Ooh. Just add you don't have to add as much. You can add as you don't even have to add much. Just add a drop. There. Ooh. Look at this. Oh my gosh, it's not even coming off the spoon.
And it's gonna turn green. I actually kind of want it green turquoise.
Okay, my turn.
Green turquoise teal.
6.
Green turquoise.
I've already done 6. That's weird. Oh, I've done 3 and 4. Okay, you have.
Where's 2?
Wait, you have 2, 6, and what's that?
9.
Let me just put those in there.
Oh, I've already done 2.
Have you done 6? Oh,
No, I haven't.
2, 9, and you need 6. And the reason it's not cheating is because she doesn't know which one she's gonna get. That's a weird color. It looks really good though.
It looks kind of greenish too.
It's teal.
I'm gonna go again.
I don't have any more goes
Okay.
because I already got mine.
I got 6. 6.